Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of finance and specifically, a company that's been making waves in Norway, Vipps. You might be wondering, who exactly owns this powerhouse? Well, buckle up, because the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Behind the scenes of Vipps ownership. Vipps isn't a publicly traded company, meaning its shares aren't available on the stock market. Instead, it's owned by a consortium of Norwegian banks. But that consortium isn't a single entity, it's a complex web of financial institutions. Here's where things get interesting. Major banks take the lead. Big players like DNB, Sparebank 1, and Nordea hold a significant portion of Vipps. These banks saw the potential for a unified mobile payment system and joined forces to create it. Sharing the pie, each bank's ownership stake is determined by its customer base. The more customers a bank has, the bigger its slice of the Vipps pie. This ensures a fair and representative ownership structure. Benefits of the consortium model. So, why did the banks choose this consortium approach? There are several advantages. Stability and trust. Having multiple established banks involved provides stability and fosters trust among users. People know Vipps is backed by reputable institutions. Collaborative innovation. With various banks contributing ideas and resources, Vipps can continuously innovate and adapt to the evolving payments landscape. Market penetration. Each bank's existing customer base becomes a potential Vipps user base. This collaboration helped Vipps achieve rapid adoption in Norway. Beyond the banks, who else is involved? While the banks are the main players, there's another interesting aspect to Vipps ownership: smaller lenders and savings banks. These institutions can also participate in the consortium, though their stake might be smaller. This inclusivity ensures a broader representation of the Norwegian financial sector within Vipps. The future of Vipps ownership. The current ownership structure has served Vipps well, making it a dominant force in Norwegian payments. But what does the future hold? There are some possibilities. IPO speculation. There's occasional speculation that Vipps might go public one day. This would allow for broader investment and potentially fuel further growth. Changing landscape. The financial sector is constantly evolving. New players and regulations could potentially impact Vipps' ownership structure in the long run. Only time will tell. For now, the consortium model remains the backbone of Vipps. It's a testament to collaboration and strategic thinking within the Norwegian banking sector. As the financial landscape continues to shift, it will be fascinating to see how Vipps' ownership evolves alongside it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.